everyone, I'm Sonam from Pabbly team, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to automatically send the data of multiple sheets to single workflow of Pabbly Connect. Now you will ask me, why is it even required? Well, lot of people were commenting us that they have multiple sheets in a single spreadsheet, and each of their sheet consists of some important data. Now they want to send the data of multiple sheets to single workflow of Pabbly Connect so that they can further send this data to multiple applications and create automation according to their need. So in this video, I will be telling you the same concept. So watch this video and I'll tell you how you can create this automation step by step. So let's understand it with an example first. Assume that I have 3 products and I am collecting the leads for each products in a separate sheet. Now I want, whenever the new lead is added, let's say in the Pabbly email marketing product, it should be added automatically to a lead squared CRM, okay, with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now same I want with Pabbly Connect also, that whenever the new lead is added for the Pabbly Connect, it should be added to different CRM, let's say in the HubSpot. And lastly, I want the same with Pabbly subscription billing as well, that whenever someone adds the new lead here in the Pabbly subscription billing sheet, it should be added to different CRM, let's say in HubSpot, that too with the help of Pabbly Connect, with a single workflow of Pabbly Connect. So how I am going to do it? Let's begin with the process. If you are new to Pabbly Connect, you will have to type Pabbly pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter, and this is how you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now from this blue button, you will have to create your account. The account creation is absolutely free, and you will also get 100 free tasks to create this kind of automations. You can actually create them for free. Now I already have an account, and if you are also an existing user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to click on sign in and click on access now, and you will see that you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now you will have to click on this button, create workflow, and give any random name. Let's say connect multiple sheets with single workflow of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow which I am giving. Okay, you can give any random name. Okay, let me correct this spelling. All right. Click on create, and you will see 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happen, action means do this, and our automations is going to work on these 2 principles only. So let me tell you with an example that you will have to choose the applications. How? Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. So this is how you will have to choose the Gmail and payment gateway application. According to our use case, we will have to select the Google Sheets, because whenever the new data arrived in Google Sheets, I want to add the same data in CRM application. That is why in trigger event, I am going to select Google Sheets as choose app, as trigger app. Okay, and in trigger event, of course, I want that whenever the new or updated spreadsheet row, I want the data to be captured here. Okay, you will receive this webhook URL, and the way you connect your single Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, you will have to follow the same approach. Okay, and the instruction for the same is given here. Okay, first copy this webhook URL and go back to your first sheet. All right, open your extension, find your add-on, click on get add-ons, and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks here. Okay, all right, Pabbly Connect webhooks. You'll have to search this term and you will find the add-on. You will have to install it. I already installed it on my PC. Okay, now once you will install it, you will have to click on extension, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on initial setup, and you will have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from the Pabbly Connect. Okay, paste it, and you can see the last column here in my spreadsheet. In which particular spreadsheet? In Pabbly email marketing is C. That is why I am going to add C. In your case, if it is D, E, F, you can add it accordingly. Now I am going to click on send test, and you will see that the data will be sent successfully to Pabbly Connect. Okay, you can see the test data sent successfully. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check. And you can see the response is received. The name is dummy name. Let me check the sheet. Okay, click on submit, and yes, the first entry is dummy name admin@pabblytudes, and 111 is the phone number, and sheet name is Pabbly email marketing. Let's cross check. Name is dummy name 1. Yes, email address is the same, phone number is the same, and spreadsheet name is the same, and the sheet name is Pabbly email marketing. That means we have successfully connected the sheet 1 with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, now onwards, let me tell you, you'll have to do this particular setting. Okay, click on send on event. Make sure this particular setting should be enabled. Okay, so now onwards, whenever the new data will be added, the new lead will be added, the data will be sent automatically to Pabbly Connect. Okay, let's connect now the second sheet, which is Pabbly Connect. Okay, again you will have to click on this recapture button. Again, do not forget to click on this button. Okay, and once it is waiting for the webhook response, you will again have to copy the same webhook URL, go back to your Google Sheet and open this second sheet in which you would like to connect, and click on extensions, click on again add-ons. Well, I have already installed it, that is why I'm not going here, and I can find the Pabbly Connect webhook option here only. Okay, let's untick it first. Okay, now let's click on extensions 1 again, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup, paste the same webhook URL. I have pasted it, and what will be the trigger column? Okay, let me see. Okay, let me close it, and here I have the data up to C column again. That is why I am again going to fill the trigger column as C only. Okay, let me paste the webhook URL once again. Alright, and trigger column as C. Click on send test, and you can see this test sent data successfully. Okay, let me click on submit. Okay, close it, and you can see the test name 1 desk@pabblytudes 444. Go back to Pabbly Connect and see the response, and I'm expecting the response. Yes, you can see the test name is here, the email address is here, phone number is here, and the last thing, the important thing, sheet name is the Pabbly Connect. That means the second sheet is also connected with the same workflow. Okay, now I am going to connect which particular sheet? Pabbly subscription billing. Alright, so you will have to click on this recapture webhook response once again. Okay, and copy the same webhook URL once again and paste it to here. Okay, go back to PSB sheet, Pabbly subscription billing, extension, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. Alright, paste the webhook URL and fill the trigger column. Here also my data is up to C column, that is why I have filled the C, and I have clicked on send test, and you can see the test data sent successfully. Demo name 1 has been sent. Click on submit, and you can see in this particular sheet I have the data with demo name and demo. Okay, let me go back to Pabbly Connect and see the response. And you can see the same data has been received just now, and the sheet name here is Pabbly subscription billing. So the first step of our integration, that means collecting the data, basically connecting Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect and collecting the data of each spreadsheet to Pabbly Connect is successful. Make sure this send on event should be enabled. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, this should be ticked to mark, then only. Why it is taking time? Let me cross check it once again. Okay, you can see it is showing that it is tick marked. Let me cross check in this particular sheet also, just for a surety. Okay, yeah, it is selected already. Now moving further, I want to send this data to different applications. Okay, so let me open my notepad and let me show you what I am going to do is, whenever the data is coming from Pabbly email marketing, I want to send the data, send the leads to my lead squared CRM. All right. Okay. Lead squared CRM. Let me correct the spelling. Okay. Now, I want to send the PEM data to lead squared CRM, and whenever the data is coming from the Pabbly Connect, okay, Pabbly Connect sheet, I want to send it to the MailChimp CRM. And lastly, whenever the data is coming from Pabbly subscription billing, I want to send the very same data, this leads basically, to my HubSpot CRM. Okay, this is how I am going to send the data from multiple sheets to different applications. Okay, so how I am going to do it? So basically, I will have to specify somewhere that whenever the data is coming from this particular sheet, send it here. Whenever the data is coming from this particular sheet, send the data exactly here, and same with the last one. So for this, I need to apply the router, and with the help of router, I am going to define the same to the system. Okay, so let me add one more router step. Okay, and here firstly I'm actually going to rename it. Assume that I am setting up this filter, this router case for the Pabbly email marketing sheet, and I want this data to go to my lead squared CRM. Alright, so I have renamed it successfully. Click on update, and the second route will be for Pabbly Connect, and I want to add the leads of Pabbly Connect to MailChimp CRM, basically MailChimp email marketing software. And the last step is of course for the last product, which is Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, I want to add the leads of Pabbly subscription billing to HubSpot CRM. Okay, so this is how I'm going to teach you that how you can send the data to multiple applications when you are collecting the data in a single workflow from multiple sheets. Okay, so let's set the filter and action steps, and I am going to set the condition on the basis of the sheet name. Okay, whenever the sheet name is Pabbly email marketing, then execute this particular case. Okay, that is why I am going to select the field as sheet name. Okay, whenever the sheet name is equal to Pabbly email marketing, let me copy it and make sure the text should be as it is. Okay, according to the sheet name. Pabbly email marketing, it is the same name. Okay, whenever the sheet name is equal to Pabbly email marketing, then continue this particular step only. Okay, then continue this particular router only. This time the condition is going to false. Why? Because the data which we have received this time is actually from the Pabbly subscription billing. Let me show you the data which we have just received, the latest data. It is from the Pabbly subscription billing sheet. That is why the condition is false in this case. But if the data is arriving from Pabbly email marketing team, then this condition is going to true. Don't worry. And if it is true, what should be done? So basically we should add the lead to lead squared CRM. That is why in action step, I am going to choose the lead squared CRM. Okay. Action event, create or update lead. Click on connect, click on add new connection. It is asking for the access key and secret key and API host key. Let me take you to the lead squared CRM, and here you will have to go to the admin section and click on settings. Basically you'll have to click on the profile section, click on settings, and you will find the option here as API and webhooks, and here you will find all the details. The access key is here, copy it and paste it. The secret key, alright, go back and show secret key, copy it, close it and paste it again to the Pabbly Connect. And last is the API host. Okay, and here you will find the API host, paste it. And this is how you can find the required information, and the instruction for the same is also given here. Click on save and you will see you will be connected immediately in Pabbly Connect. You can see we are connected now. Let's fill the fields one by one. It is asking the first name and last name. So let me map the full name here. And this is the same data which I have received from the trigger step. Okay. Basically from the Google Sheet which I am mapping from the drop down. Okay. This is the same data. And in email address, let's map the same which I have received from the trigger step. Okay. And in the phone number also, I am going to map the same. Okay. And whatever the values I am mapping are going to change automatically as per the new lead is there. Okay. And this is going to execute, don't worry, according to the condition only. Okay. If the above condition is true, then only this data is going to add. Okay. The data is sent successfully. Now here I would like to tell you one more very important thing. I have clicked on save. But if I will click on this button, save and send test request, it is going to add this lead to my lead squared CRM, despite that the condition is actually false, because in case of routers, whenever you are going to set up it is going to add the data for the first time. But do not worry, whenever this automation is going to work in real time, no data will be added. It is going to work as per the condition only. If the condition is false, the data will not be added. Don't worry. Okay. So yes, I am closing it, and in the next field I'll show you this thing. Okay, I will even show you this thing in this particular step. Now I am setting up the condition for Pabbly Connect sheet. So if the sheet name is Pabbly Connect, okay, if the sheet name is equal to Pabbly Connect, then execute this particular step. Again, it is going to show us the false, because again the current data is actually coming from the Pabbly subscription billing. But if the data is coming from this particular sheet, what should be done? Basically, it should add it to the MailChimp CRM. Alright, MailChimp CRM. Let's connect it. Action event. Okay, create member, add new member with custom fields. Okay, click on connect. Click on add new connection. If you are connecting it for the first time, it is asking the token and data center. Let's go to the MailChimp account and click on the profile picture. Click on profile. Here you will find the option of extras, and API keys are finally here. Okay. So let me take you down, and you can see here is the API key. Copy it and paste it here. Okay. Here we'll have to add the API key, and it is asking for the data center. Read the instructions. Enter the data center, example US 19, which appears as a subdomain in your MailChimp account, example this. So basically it is asking that if your URL of MailChimp is this, in that case your data center will be this. Let me take you to the MailChimp, and in my case the data center is going to be what? US 6. Okay. Copy it and paste it. This is how you can actually find your data center. Click on save and you will see you will be connected. Alright, it is connected. Let's fill the fields one by one. Choose the audience list. Yes, I want to add the data to this particular list only. Well, I have only single audience list only. Now email address, again map it from the above data. Here it is asking for the name. Okay, first name and last name. Let me map it. Alright, the name is also mapped. And lastly, I'm going to add the phone number also. Okay. Here is the phone number, and I have mapped all the details. This time, rather than clicking on the save, I am going to click on save and send test request, and will show you the response will be received, and it will show the success that yes, this particular data, this particular entry has been added. Let me go back to the MailChimp account and see in the all context section whether this particular data has added or not. Okay, you can see your audience has 1 contacts. Okay. You can see demo@pabblytudes.com, demo name 1 and 77. So this is how, when you are going to set up the routers, it may add the data in the first time, but don't worry, in real time it is going to work absolutely fine. It is going to work. It is going to add the data only if your condition is true. If the condition is false, it will not add the data. I will even show you the live example. Okay, so don't worry. Now click on close and the 2 steps are actually done. Now I am going to set the router condition for the Pabbly subscription billing. Again, if the sheet name is actually the Pabbly subscription billing, in that case, if it is equal to Pabbly subscription billing, let me copy that from here only, okay, and paste it in the value section. Click on save and send test request, and now you tell me what will be the response, whether it is going to be true or false. So it is going to be true because the data which we have received is actually coming from Pabbly subscription billing sheet only, okay. And if the condition is true, then what should be done? The data should be added to HubSpot CRM, okay. So let me search for the HubSpot CRM. Here it is, HubSpot CRM, and in action event I am going to add as, okay, something is wrong, okay, create a contact, click on connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with HubSpot CRM, choose your account, I have chosen the account, and finally the authorization is successful and my HubSpot account is also connected with the Pabbly Connect. You can see it is connected. Let's fill the fields one by one. So it is hard to find because the data is really huge here. And you can see it is asking for the work email. Let me map the same. Now it is asking for the name. Again, map it. Okay, something is wrong. All right, this is scroller. I need to pick. Okay, and here's the name. Lastly, the phone number. Let me find the phone number field. Again, it is quite tough. Okay, here's the phone number. Okay, map it. So I have filled the required details. You can actually fill the data as per your choice. Going to click on save and send test request, and you will see the data will be added. Okay, the demo name has been added to HubSpot CRM. Okay, let me open my HubSpot CRM, and you can see the phone number is here, the email address is here, which we have mapped. Okay, so this is how you can send the data of multiple sheets to different applications. Now I am going to actually test this workflow, whether it is working absolutely fine or not. Okay, so let's open this particular sheet and add a dummy name. Okay, test name 3 is the name of the person, and this time desk plus 01 @ pabblytuts.com is the email of the person, and let's map the number also, add the number also, 111111111. I am going to press enter, and this is the Pabbly Connect, and I have added the data of Pabbly Connect sheet to MailChimp. So let's check our MailChimp account. Let me refresh it. Okay, you can see the data which I have just added in the Pabbly Connect sheet is automatically added to my MailChimp account. Now I have to make sure that this particular data should not be added to other 2 CRMs. So I'll have to check that also. And I have refreshed the HubSpot, and yes, you can see there is no such data added which we have added to the Pabbly Connect sheet. Okay, and let me check the Lead Squared CRM also, and you can see there is no such data. Again, go back to sheet, and this time I am adding the data to Pabbly email marketing. Let's add a new entry, a dummy name 3, dummy name 4. This particular lead is added to this sheet, and assume that admin @pabblytuts.com. Okay, let me make a little change, +02. Okay, admin +02 pabblytuts.com, and the number is here 44444. Let me press enter, and I have sent the data of Pabbly email marketing to which CRM? To Lead Squared CRM. So let me check the CRM. Let me refresh it. The person which I have just added in my sheet has been added automatically. Now I will have to cross check whether this particular data has added to MailChimp or HubSpot or not. Okay, so according to the case which we have added, according to the conditions which we have set in Pabbly Connect, it should not add the data. Okay, so let me check. No, there is no such data. My entry was with the name of dummy name 4, and here the data is not available with the dummy name 4. Now lastly, I am going to check in the HubSpot CRM also. And if the data is not here, that means our automation is working absolutely fine. So this is how you can actually send the data of multiple sheets to the single workflow of Pabbly Connect, and by applying the routers and condition, you can send the same data to multiple places very easily, very quickly. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything, and I will also add the link of the same workflow in my description box. So in case you want to clone the very same workflow in your account, you can actually do it. Okay, and let me tell you, once you are done with the automation, you can simply close it, and whenever the data is being added to the sheet, it is going to add in the CRMs automatically. You do not have to do anything again and again. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.